Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and I evidently ordered something from LoveCrafts. I do remember seeing somebody say that there was a special, buy so many, for so much money, and I remember doing that, but I do not remember the yarn that I did it with, the color, or anything. So this box has been here for maybe a week or two, and it's been over there by all the other stuff that I still have to open. So yeah, let's find out what I ordered, because I do know that I did order something. I just don't remember what I ordered. Don't you hate when that happens? Alrighty, so let's find out. Oh, pretty. How many things did I get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it had to have been 10 for something. I got 2 of these. Right here. Oh, look, aren't they a pretty color? Alrighty. Serdar Snuggly. 50 grams. I think, what's that, 3 ounces, maybe? I don't know. 3.5 ounces. 164 yards. And it's called Carrot Crush. The color is Carrot Crush. It's all right. What is it made out of? A wash with dark colors, machine washable, wool cycle. It's a DK weight. Oh, here we go. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. And I have 2 of these. Both the same. And the other thing I got, and there are 8 of them, so I guess it was 10 of certain something for something. And there's no prices or anything. So let's see, the other 8 are this one right here. And this one is very soft. So let's see, this one is 100% acrylic. It looks like it says machine washable and saliva resistant. Huh. Oh no, wait a minute, not saliva. Salvia resistant. What the heck is salvia resistant? I don't know. But this is called Schockenmeyer Baby Smiles. I don't know. And it's color number 00181. It says it is 100% acrylic, 1.75 ounces, 202 yards. And it's called Baby Smiles, and this is, I guess, Bravo Baby 185. But look at those pretty colors in there. And I have 8 of those. So I guess I was going to make something. I don't know. So that's, what, 16 something yards? So yeah, those are, I have these 8. There's 4 more in there. And then these 2 orange. I don't think this orange goes with, well, yeah, it does, kind of. So, I don't know. I'll have to think of something. This one's a lot softer than the Carrot Crunch. Indeed it is. So yeah, now I just have to figure out what I'm going to make. So this is what it looks like. All that nice lusciousness. So there's, let's see, 200, this one is a number 2 weight. And so it says that there's 202 yards. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Excuse me, 1,600 yards in that. And there's how many in this? 164. So yeah, I need something that has 1,600 yards. I'll have to look in Ravelry. Oh, no. I'm going to look in all of these magazines that I have. So a project from this is going to be a magazine one. Indeed it is. I have all of these ones that I still haven't finished looking through the ones that Cindy sent me. I'm getting there slowly. And I have little Post-it pads everywhere in all of the books. So I'm going to pick a pattern from one of these magazines or books that I have. And I'm going to do it with this yarn. So thanks guys for watching. Yeah, that's it. You guys have a great day and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.